Welcome, today I am in Fiat 500 and I will show you how you can adjust side mirrors in this car. So at the first we are going to start from the left one, and to adjust the left one you have to press this button, basically this arrow, and select this window, and after that we are adjusting the position by tapping on these arrows. So take a look. I'm going to set it up, for example, like that. And right now, if you want to make the same with this right window, you have to change from the left to the right and then adjust with these arrows. Take a look. Okay, and as you can see, that's how it works. And if you finish, we have to remember to put it on the neutral position, like that. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.